Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Scope IIT. Today we will discuss about the topic solving recurrence relation. Okay, now so we'll see how we can solve the given recurrence relation. So here I have taken the example of a recurrence relation. T of n is equals to T of n minus 1 plus 1 and the initial condition they have given is T of 0 is equals to 0. Now in this type of question how to solve? So see, here T of n, okay. So now here what you have inside the bracket T of n minus 1. So your next step will be, you will find T of n minus 1 is equal to 4. That means if you will replace this n with n minus 1, then what will be the condition? Okay. Now, in exam, suppose if you have a question, T of n is equals to T of n by 2 plus n or something like that. Okay. So, in that case, you will replace this n with what? N minus 1? No. You will replace this n with whatever is there in T bracket. Okay. So, we will replace this n with n by 2 over here. Understood? So, like that, we'll solve this question. Whatever is given inside T bracket. Okay. So, we'll solve it that way. Now, let us see. So here in our case, we have T of n minus 1. So first we will solve. Instead of n, we will replace n with n minus 1. Okay. So if you replace n with n minus 1, it will become T of n minus 1. Okay. N is replaced with n minus 1. So this is n minus 1 and this minus 1. So it will become like this. Plus. So if you write it directly, it will become T of n minus 1 is equals to T of n minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So this is your first equation. This I'll give it as second equation. Okay. Then now what you have in T bracket? T of n minus 2. Okay. So now I'll replace this n with n minus 2. So I'll replace this n with n minus 2. So it will become T of n minus 3 plus 1. Correct? N minus 2 minus 1. Okay. So next, now we'll find n minus 3 and this equation will become third. Okay, usually we do it till 3 steps, so it will be easy for you to find the time complexity. Otherwise, you can solve it only 1 step or 2 step, then you can do the substitution. Okay, that will also work. So T of n minus 3, it will become T of n minus 4 plus 1. Okay, so this is my fourth equation. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll substitute your equation 2 in equation 1. Equation 1, what you have? We have T of n is equals to T of n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is my first equation. Okay, so now this T of n minus 1. Okay, this I'll replace with this complete equation. Okay, so that means what we call it as substitute equation 2 in 1. Correct? Now see, so it will become your T of n is equals to, now T of n minus 1 is replaced with T of n minus 2 plus 1 and this plus 1 as it is. Okay, so it is nothing but it will become your T of n minus 2 plus 2. Similarly, now if we will substitute equation 3 in 2, right? So it will become T of n. So T of n minus 2 is what? T of n minus 3 plus 1. So it will become T of n minus 3 plus 1 and this plus 2 as it is. So finally it will become T of n minus 3 plus 3. Next we'll substitute equation 4 in 3. So it will become T of n is equals to T of, instead of T of n minus 3, we'll replace with T of n minus 4. So it will become T of n minus 4 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so this is your final equation we will get. Okay, now once you will get this equation, we will find it k times. What we will find? K times. Now what do you mean by k time? Here whatever you have a constant, okay, we'll try to replace it with k. Okay, we'll consider, here we'll consider for example k as 4. Okay, so your equation will become T of n is equals to T of n is equals to T of n minus k plus k. Okay, now here you can see what is the initial condition they have given, T, then in bracket what you have? 0. So in that case your n minus k is equals to what? 0. So can I say n is equals to k? Yes, it's minus, it will go that side, it will become plus. So it will become n is equals to k. So T of n is equals to Now this is n minus n, so that is nothing but 0. So it will become t of 0 plus k is replaced with n. Okay, so equation will become t of 0 is nothing but 0. So 0 plus n is n. Okay, so what is the time complexity for this recurrence relation? The time complexity for this recurrence relation is n. Understood? This is a way we can solve recurrence relation using substitution method. Next, one more question I have taken. Okay, in this question I have taken like t of n is equals to 2t n minus 1 plus 1, and initial condition over here is also t of 0 is equals to 0. Now what you have here in bracket t of n minus 1. So here also we'll replace this t of n with n minus 1. So it will become t of n minus 1 is equals to 2t. Now instead of n minus 1 again minus 1, so it will become n minus 2. So it will become your n minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is your equation 1. This will become your equation 2. The next we replace with t of n minus 1 with n minus 2. So it will become 2t n minus 3 plus 1. Okay, then we'll replace n with n minus 3. So it will become t of n minus 3 is equals to 2t. Okay, minus 3 minus 1. So it will become n minus 4 plus 1. Okay, so this is your 4 equation. Now we will substitute equation 2 in 1. Okay, so my first equation was 2, then in bracket now t of n minus 1. So t of n minus 1 is replaced with this one. So it will become 2t n minus 2 plus 1, and then this plus 1 as it is. Okay, the next I'll replace this t of n minus 2. That means I can say, okay, before that we can simplify it. Okay, so it will become your 2 2s are 4. So it will become your 2 ka power 2 t n minus 2, and this will come here now. So 2 1s are 2. So it will become plus 2 plus 1. Okay, this is your equation 5. Next we will substitute equation 3 in 5. Equation 3 in 5. What is equation 3? T of n minus 2. Okay, so we'll replace t of n minus 2 with this equation. Okay, in equation 5. So t of n is equals to, now here 2 ka square as it is. Now in bracket instead of t of n minus 2, it will be 2t n minus 3 plus 1 bracket close. Then here you have plus 2 and plus 1. Okay, so if I simplify it, it will become t of n is equals to 2 ka power 3 t n minus 3, and here 2 will, here also it will multiply, right, with 2 4 will multiply over here. Okay, so it will become your plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will become your term over here. Next, and this is nothing but your equation 6. Next we will substitute equation 4 in equation 6. Okay, so your final answer, it will become over here is t of n is equals to 2 ka power 3. Now t of n minus 1 will replace. So it will become t of n minus 4, and that to here 2. Okay, 2t n minus 4 plus 1. Okay, and here we already have 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so your final answer will become t of n is equals to 2 ka power 3. Actually 2 will be multiplied, so it will become 2 ka power 4 t, then here n minus 4. Okay, and this plus also 2 ka power 3 is how much? 8. So it will become here 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so it can be written as t of n is equals to 2 ka power 4, then here t of n minus 4. Okay, 8 is nothing but 2 ka power 3, 4 is nothing but 2 ka power 2. Okay, 2 is nothing but 2 ka power 1, and 1 is nothing but 2 ka power 0. Like this it will happen. Okay, now if I'll make it k times, so k constant I'll make it as 4. Okay, so it will become t of n is equals to 2 ka power k, then here t in bracket n minus k bracket close, plus now 3. Your k is 4. So how to get 3? It will become 2 ka power k minus 1, plus how to get 2 from 4? So it will become 2 ka power k minus 2. Correct? Then to get 1, it will become 2 ka power k minus 3. Okay, and finally to get 0, it will become your k minus 4. 2 ka power k minus 4, and so on you can say actually. Okay, now here what happened? So this is nothing but this is your equation. I'll write it here. So it will become T of n is equals to 2 ka power k into T of n minus k, plus this is nothing but will become sigma I is equals to 0. It will start from 0 and it will go till k minus 1. Okay, and it is nothing but 2 ka power I we have. Okay, and here next we already have n minus k. Okay, so n minus k is equals to what we have, n minus k here. Initial condition is t of 0. So it will become your n minus k is equals to 0. So we can say n is equals to k. Correct. So as it become n is equals to k, so this term it will become t of 0. T of 0, that means this whole term will become what? 0, because 0 multiplied by any number is nothing but 0. Okay, so it will be t of n is equals to, now this term will become 0. Okay, then here what is left? Plus now this sigma. Okay, and there is one formula, you should make a note over here. Okay, sigma I is equals to 0. Okay, formula you should write. I is equals to 0 to n minus 1, and x I suppose if you have, then formula is x ka power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So this is the formula. Okay, but here instead of x what you have? 2. So it will become 2 ka power n minus 1, and here 2 minus 1. So it will become t of n is equals to 0 is nothing but here we'll have 2 ka power n minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so no need to write it. So here what is the maximum? Maximum is 2 ka power n or 1? 2 ka power n. So the time complexity for this will become big O of 2 ka power n. This is the time complexity for this given recurrence relation. Okay, next. Okay, there is one more recurrence relation we will solve. T of n is equals to n into T of n minus 1, and T of 1 is equals to 1. This is the initial condition we have. Okay, now see, so here T of n is equals to, now here what you have in the bracket? N minus 1. So all n will replace with n minus 1. One more thing, don't think only this n will replace. If you have here also n, that will also replace. So it will become, so we'll find for T of n minus 1, right? So T of n minus 1 is equals to n minus 1 into T of n minus 1 minus 1. So it will become n minus 2, like this. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. Okay. Then we'll find for T of n minus 2. So it will become n minus 2 into T of n minus 3. This is your third equation. Okay, actually and so on, I'm solving till 2 only, you can make it 3. Okay, so next up we will do substitution. So substitute equation 2 in 1. Okay, so this T of n minus 1 will substitute in equation 1. So it will become T of n is equals to, n is as it is, n multiplied by, okay, now T of n minus 1 will replace with this. So it will become T of n minus 1 into T of n minus 2 will get. Okay, and this is your equation 4. Next, substitute equation, you can say 3 in 4. Equation 3 in equation 4. Okay, so here it will become T of n is equals to n into n minus 1 into, now what you have here, n minus 2. T of n minus 2 is replaced with this one. So it will become T of n minus 2 into T of n minus 3. Okay, now for this one, if we will make it k times, okay, if I'll make it k times, so it will become t of n is equals to n into, so here n minus 3, so I'll consider k as 3, so it will become n minus, now we have here 1, okay, so 3, that means it will become your k minus 2, okay, into n minus k minus 3, okay, and actually you can say so on, and it will end actually at multiply, it will become n minus k minus 1, it will end over here, okay. Next, and what do you have finally? T of n minus k, t of n minus k, okay, and initial condition is t of 1, okay, so here what will happen? Here it will become n minus k is equals to 1, okay, so it will become n minus k is equals to 1, hence I can say that k is equals to n minus 1 in this case, okay. So now if we will replace here, then it will become t of n is equals to the n minus k, okay, so this n minus k term will become what? 1, okay, so what will be remaining over here, and this all will become n minus 1, so the remaining is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, and so on it will be left, okay. So this is nothing but, you already know, this is the formula for n factorial, okay, and recurrence relation will never write in time complexity n factorial, so n factorial is always equivalent to n ka power n, so time complexity for this is nothing but n ka power